Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the primary goals of your sales strategies. Identify key areas where communication can improve within your team. Create a dedicated channel in Slack for sales discussions. Invite all sales team members to this channel to ensure everyone is included. Use the channel to share daily or weekly sales goals. Encourage team members to post updates on their progress. Host regular check-ins in this channel to discuss ongoing strategies. Utilize Slack's polling feature to gather team input on sales tactics. Share relevant industry articles and resources to keep the team informed. Encourage team members to celebrate wins and milestones. Integrate tools like Google Calendar to schedule important sales events. Use Slack reminders to keep track of deadlines for sales tasks. Implement Slack apps that support CRM integration to streamline processes. Foster an open environment where team members can ask questions. Create guidelines on how to effectively use Slack for sales conversations. Establish a feedback loop where team members can suggest improvements. Assess the effectiveness of your sales strategies through Slack discussions. Adjust and refine your approach based on team feedback and results. Monitor engagement levels in the channel to ensure full participation. Encourage collaboration by suggesting role-playing exercises within Slack. Celebrate the successful deployment of your sales strategies as a team effort. Continuously evaluate the performance of your sales strategies using Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.